subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia launched its new budget smartphone under G series globally called Nokia G11, and it is the successor of the Nokia G10 smartphone that was launched back in April last year. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia G11 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Uni-SoC T606 chipset paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Nokia G11 supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5050 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, but the user will get 10W charger inside the box, and it runs on Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 75.9 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia G11 has been priced in UAE at 499 United Arab Emirates dirham for the base variant, and it will be available for purchase in charcoal and ice color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia G11 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.